Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install Mono on Ubuntu operating system. So Ubuntu 26. So let's open the terminal. So this here. Now there I'm going to use the sudo apt install mono complete. Press enter, give their password. So here you can see this is installing mono and this important libraries. So right there Y and press enter. So this is now you can see some download process is going on. Mono runtime, mono devel, this all here currently downloading from this site. This here it's done. Let's use the clear command. If I write there mono minus minus version. So you can see mono JIT compiler version 6.14.1 that install. Let's use the clear command. The next is here if I write this place MCS minus minus version. So here mono C# compiler version this install. Thereafter let's use the clear command. Next is going to run or this place hello world program of C#. So let's copy this and adding new, paste there, Control S to save. So let's save on this text download section. Here giving the name, selecting this all. Here giving the name hello dot for C# we need to give the CS. So hello.cs that's come there. After that the next is if I write ls here you can see hello.cs file is there. So to run there we can write mcs hello.cs. The name current, okay, one error is there. Let's go on this download section. Include this hello system, Control S to save. Now let's close this, minimizing. Thereafter let's here MCS this one. This compile there is no any problem. Now let's use the mono then hello dot exe. So hello world that's the display. So this is how we can install this mono inside the Ubuntu 26.04 operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.